Once upon a time, people started dreaming about machines that could both think and act like humans. This idea, which began in the pages of stories and the imaginations of visionaries, slowly grew into something real, something that would eventually change our world in ways no one could have predicted. Let's take a journey through time to see how our understanding of AI, artificial intelligence, has evolved from dreams to reality. Long before computers were even a glimmer in anyone's eye, writers and thinkers were already imagining a future filled with intelligent machines. One of the most famous of these writers was Isaac Asimov. Beginning in 1939, he published a series of stories that didn't just feature robots. They were robots with the ability to think, make decisions, and even experience emotions. But Asimov didn't stop there. He introduced the 3 laws of robotics, a set of rules designed to keep robots from harming humans, sparking deep questions about the ethical responsibilities of creating intelligent machines. Asimov's stories, and others like them, didn't just entertain. They inspired. They planted the seeds of curiosity about what intelligent machines could be, leading to serious scientific questions and the beginning of real-world research into the possibilities of AI. As these ideas took hold, scientists began to wonder, how could we tell if a machine was truly intelligent? Enter Alan Turing, a brilliant British mathematician. In 1950, Turing proposed a test that would forever change the way we think about machines. The idea was simple yet groundbreaking. If a machine could hold a conversation with a human and convince them they were talking to another person, then that machine could be considered intelligent. This concept became known as the Turing test. Over the years, the Turing test has influenced the development of artificial intelligence, inspiring researchers to create more advanced chatbots, natural language processing systems, and AI-driven assistants that aim to mimic human conversation. While science continued to advance, AI made its leap from the pages of books to the big screen. Movies and TV shows began to explore what life might be like with intelligent machines. Characters like Data from Star Trek were more than just robots. They were beings who could learn, grow, and interact with humans in meaningful ways. The Terminator movies, on the other hand, showed a darker side of AI, with machines that could think, fight, and even turn against their creators. These stories helped shape how the public thought about AI. They showed us that AI could be amazing and powerful, but they also made us think about the potential dangers and the ethical questions that come with creating machines that can think for themselves. The next major shift in the perception of real, non-fictional AI occurred in 1997 when IBM's computer, Deep Blue, went head-to-head with Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion. What happened next was something no one expected. Deep Blue won. This was the first time a computer had defeated a reigning world champion in chess, under standard tournament conditions. This victory wasn't just about a computer winning a game. It was a moment that showed the world just how powerful AI could be. Suddenly, machines weren't just capable of performing simple tasks. They could outthink humans in complex strategic games. This victory sparked conversations around the globe about what AI could achieve next and how it might change our lives. Despite all the buzz surrounding AI, it quietly integrated into our daily lives without much fanfare. The revolution began with the iPhone in 2007, a device that put computing power in our pockets. At first, AI played a modest role, offering features like autocorrect and basic app management. The game changer came in 2011 with Apple's Siri, the first widely used voice-activated AI assistant. Siri allowed users to interact with their phones in a natural, conversational way, making AI a visible part of everyday life. This sparked a wave of innovation, with Google introducing Google Now in 2012 and Amazon launching Alexa in 2014, further integrating AI into our homes and routines. AI quickly became essential to the smartphone experience, powering everything from real-time navigation to personalized recommendations on various apps. What started as a behind-the-scenes technology had become a daily companion, shaping how we live and interact with the world. As AI became a household name, it was also revolutionizing industries in subtle but profound ways. By the 2010s, factories started to change in ways that seemed straight out of science fiction. These weren't the noisy assembly line factories of the past. These were smart factories, where machines didn't just follow orders. They thought, they learned, and they adapted. This was the dawn of Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution. In these new factories, robots worked alongside humans, not just as tools, but as partners. Everything was connected through the Internet of Things, allowing machines to share information, solve problems, and make decisions on their own. This technology made it possible to create highly personalized products faster and more efficiently than ever before. Industry 4.0 wasn't just a step forward in technology, it was a whole new way of thinking about work, production, and our relationship with machines. It opened up incredible possibilities, but also challenged us to think carefully about the future we are building. As AI advanced, it entered a new era, generative AI, where machines began to create alongside humans. In 2020, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, a tool capable of engaging in conversations, crafting stories, and assisting with creative tasks. ChatGPT quickly became a tool for millions, helping people write, brainstorm, and solve problems in innovative ways. Around the same time, tools like Midjourney and DALL-E allowed users to generate stunning images from text prompts, making creativity more accessible. These AI tools empowered people to produce art and content, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. But with these advancements came new questions about ethics, ownership, and the role of AI in the creative process. As AI continues to evolve, it challenges us to think about how we use these powerful tools responsibly. From the earliest dreams of creating intelligent machines to their integration into nearly every aspect of our lives, AI has gone from science fiction to an indispensable reality. What began as imaginative stories and speculative theories has evolved into a powerful force that shapes how we live, work, and create. AI has quietly embedded itself into our daily routines, from the smartphones in our pockets to the factories that produce our goods, and even into the art and creativity we express. As AI continues to advance, it not only enhances our capabilities, but also compels us to confront complex ethical and societal questions. The journey of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity, but it also serves as a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. The future of AI is filled with possibilities, and as we navigate this new frontier, it's crucial that we use these tools wisely, ensuring they benefit humanity as a whole.